7 examples of men who really do not know their worth. Do you know that there are things you do naturally should tell you you don't know your worth before your woman, that you are the problem in your relationship? Most times we don't talk about these things, but I'm here to tell you, I'm here to talk about it. Number 1 is staying with a woman who is constantly disrespecting you, demeaning you, or bringing you down. Staying with her and respecting her. There is nothing you do that this woman finds appreciative, but you want to make sure she appreciates you. She gives you her validation. You want to appear to be a saint before this woman. You want to always do everything this woman wants. Oh, she wants you to sit down here. You're sitting down. You don't want to get her angry. Yet you're not happy with what she's giving or what she's asking you to do. In fact, those things she's even asking you to do, if you do them, you're very, very unhappy with them. But you kept doing it because you want her to be happy. Staying with a woman who really is not happy staying with you. Oh, you want to do everything. You want to please her. You want to change her mind. Let her accept you. You want to make her feel happy. Let her just know you're there for her. You're willing to take down anything, anyone, just because you want to stay with her. Staying with a woman who constantly make you feel, when she lies, she constantly make you feel you are the one lying. You don't know what you're doing. You always you want to ask yourself questions. Are you okay? Are you normal? You second guess yourself each time she talks to you. Any woman who is always lying to you has seen that she can really remote you or play you. Once you notice, and you've already bring it to her notice, stop staying with such kind of a woman. If you keep staying, thinking this woman, oh, tomorrow she's going to change, let me give her a second chance, she's just lying to cover up herself. Most times you even end up making excuses for her. So if she's treating you badly, will you still say it's this woman's fault? You always blame yourself because you see this red flag. Some will say there is no red flags. How can you say there is no red flag? When someone really appreciates you, really want to stay with you, what they owe you is to respect you and also be truthful to you when they are talking to you, because truthfulness comes with trust. And when there is no trust in a relationship, that relationship is already built in a shallow ground that can sink at any time. When you're with a woman who always gives you condition for staying with you, can't you see that you are the problem? You are the problem because you know this woman doesn't like you, but you kept staying with her. Probably you want to convince her. You need to buy her conscience. You need to buy her mind. You need to do something. You start looking for what you need to do to make sure that woman accepts you. Any woman who has shown you she doesn't like you, in fact, you need to give in something for her to treat you fine, to treat you nice, to respect you, to talk to you calmly, to maybe give you pet names. That woman does not belong in your life. She's not for you. See, when they say cut your coat according to your size, this is where you know that when a woman is not treating you right, she's not your size. You should cut her off. This is what it just means when it comes to relationship. So when they say cut your coat according to your size, you start looking for sizes of coats that are not your size. Women who are not ready to respect you, be with you, treat you nicely without attaching conditions to them. So when she attach condition, it's left for you to remove yourself from that relationship. So you continuing that relationship, thinking that this woman is ever going to change the way she treats you or change her mind, you are the one that is the problem. The woman is not the problem. Now, when you notice that a woman is always giving other men attention, you feel, oh, you want to chase her around, you want to collect her phone, you want to make her get scared, tell her, oh, if you don't do this, I won't be this, I won't do that. If she value you in the first place, trust me, she's never going to give other men attention. She's never going to make you feel tensed that she's talking or testing to other men. There are things you don't need to tell a woman, and that is one of them. That is why if you're in a relationship, if you don't want to be the problem when it comes to this, you need to always set boundaries. Let her know your stand when it comes to this. If you've already communicated, you've made her know that if these things happen, I'm not going to take it. When you notice it, maybe you address it the first time, maybe she show you, oh, no, I don't have anything to do with this guy, and you know she's lying. You now find out. Why will you continue saying it? Why will you now start acting desperate? Why will you now start acting insecure? You are now the problem. Any woman who really values what you have with her can never give you a reason to feel insecure because she's in a relationship with you. And when you, as a man, feels your woman should not greet anybody because there are men who are really, really insecure in them. I know you're facing trauma. Something has happened to you that made you to be so. Do not go into a relationship as a man when you know you will find it difficult to trust a woman. You will find it difficult allowing this woman to at least greet her neighbors, talk, just greeting. Nothing attached, because there are men who are ready to even lock their women up so that they don't talk to other men. If you are this kind of a man, no woman will ever take you seriously. In fact, those things you fear, she will give it to you. She will do them. You are now the problem. So if you know, for some reason, you like a woman too much, you won't like her to even greet another man, you won't like her to walk so that other men will not see her, then you are the problem. You need to take care of yourself. Heal from that pain or from that thing that is causing that is making you insecure. Heal from it first before you go into the relationship, because you will always be the problem in that relationship. It no go work. That relationship no go work. Even the woman has sent, you go to smell something. We know they.